So today, guys, we're going to be looking at long division in algebra. So if we look at this question here, it says divide 2x cubed minus x squared minus 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. So to do this question, I can see I have a cubic here because I have to the power of 3, and I have a linear here because I have to the power of 1, which is really hiding here, which means my answer I know should be a quadratic. To set up the division, I always put the lower power on the outside, so I have 2x minus 1 divided into 2x cubed minus x squared minus 2x plus 1. And now I'm going to use my division. To do division in algebra, guys, I actually need to think about multiplying. So what do I multiply 2x by to get 2x cubed? X squared. So x squared by 2x and x squared by minus 1. X squared by 2x gives me 2x cubed. X squared by minus 1 gives me minus x squared. I underline and I change my signs, so I now have a minus 2x and a plus x squared, because 2x cubed minus 2x cubed gives me 0. Minus x squared plus x squared also gives me 0x squared, which means now I'm going to bring down my minus 2x and bring down my plus 1, because I always like to have two terms down here. Now I'm not going to consider the 0, I'm going to consider the minus 2x. So what do I multiply 2x by to get minus 2x? Minus 1. So minus 1 by 2x gives me minus 2x. Minus 1 by minus 1 gives me plus 1. I underline, I change my signs, and they both cancel to give me 0, which I know now is right because I have no remainder. So I know my answer at the end of all this is just x squared minus 1. Happy days. Okay? The next one I'm going to do is we have divide 2x cubed minus 11x plus 6 by 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. So this time again, guys, I have a cubic divided by a quadratic, which means my answer should be linear. Okay? So in my quadratic, which is the lower power, I know I need to put it on the outside. So I have 2x squared plus 4x minus 3 divided into 2x cubed. Now I can see usually between a cubed and an x, I have an x squared, which I don't have here. So I'm going to add in plus 0x squared to help me with my division. Minus 11x plus 6. And now we're going to start the same way. So what do I multiply 2x squared by to get 2x cubed? Just a little x. So x by 2x squared by 4x by minus 3. So x by 2x squared gives me 2x cubed. X by 4x gives me plus 4x squared. And x by minus 3 gives me minus 3x. I underline and I change my signs. So I have a minus, and a plus. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed cancels. 0x squared minus 4x squared gives me minus 4x squared. At minus 11x plus 3x gives me minus 8x plus 6, because I'm going to bring down my 6 from up here. So now I look at my 2x squared and say, what do I multiply 2x squared by to get minus 4x squared? Well, I know I need to multiply by minus 2. So now I'm going to do minus 2 by 2x squared gives me minus 4x squared. Then I have minus 2 by 4x gives me minus 8x. And minus 2 by 3 gives me plus 6. I underline, I change my signs. And again I see they all cancel to give me 0, which means there's no remainder, so I know I'm right. And again I say, therefore my answer is x minus 2. Happy days.